dear parents and students. So summer classes are completed. So this video is about how we are planning the long-term programs, that is regular batches. So I will discuss about both foundation classes as well as intermediate classes. Foundation classes in the sense from 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th, and intermediate +1 and +2 classes. So these classes will be run both in online as well as offline also. So for online, all the students all over India, they can utilize this course. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss about the foundation program. Clear? So foundation program is very important because actually when we have resigned our jobs, actually we were interested in opening a junior college. But our previous experiences, we have understood that so mastering of a huge syllabus of advanced level and producing result in just 2 years of +1 and +2, it is not possible for an average student. So for gifted students and very students with a high amount of IQ or with the students of high amount of interest, only these students will be getting selection in the final examinations of IIT and JEE. If they have no foundation and if they just study +1 or +2, then that is enough for them. And condition is this: good teachers also should be present. Clear? But to produce result for above average students and average students, definitely foundation program is definitely required. Clear? So therefore we have planned a very elaborate and very highly planned dedicated program for foundation students. So right from starting from 6th class, so 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and up to 10th classes. Clear? So here let us see how we are planning. First of all, we will see the dates. For last year students, old batch students, the classes will start from 15th June 2020. And for new batch students, it will be starting from 21st June to 2020. Clear? So please listen to this program until the end so that you can understand very clearly so what we are going to do this year. Okay. So features of this program are, so total IIT JEE advanced syllabus will be split into 4 equal parts and students are made to master these concepts from 7th class. Okay. So we are not discussing about NEET syllabus, we are not discussing about mains syllabus, we are discussing about purely advanced syllabus. So parents who are aware of the advanced syllabus, so they should have understood what is meant by advanced syllabus. So mains syllabus and advanced syllabus are completely different. Especially if you see in physics, the number of applications increases to a very, very large value for advanced type of examination in IITs. So this total advanced syllabus in maths, physics and chemistry, so we are splitting into 4 parts. Clear? So that is, you can call it as a 25%, which comes into 4 parts. So this 25% syllabus will be completed right from the 7th class. It means students who enter into the 7th class, for them 25% of syllabus will be completed. And we are not interested in just only completing the syllabus. We are interested in making the students to master those concepts also. Clear? So therefore, elaborate study hours and utilizing of Sundays and holidays also, it is compulsory, because at that age, to master 25% of advanced syllabus, it is not a joke. So it requires a huge amount of dedication, and a lot of practice sessions also should be there. So therefore, this total syllabus will be split into 4 parts, and by the time students complete 7th, 8th and 9th, 10th classes, so total advanced syllabus, they should have a very good idea on all the topics of +1 and +2 advanced syllabus. Clear? So then after completing of this 10th class, so in intermediate, that is from the 11th and 12th classes also, So students also will be present with us only, and daily they will be practicing question papers, 2 or 3 question papers in just real-time exam atmosphere. Okay, so that is after they complete this 10th class also, because they have completed already this advanced syllabus. So they will be with us only, that is they will take admission in some junior colleges which are having very less timings of this college where it is very less. So there they will take the admission, and most of the time they will be spending with us only again. So, and there also morning classes will be running for +1 and +2 regular batches. So these students who have already completed the advanced syllabus, they can again, if they can attend to those classes. And those students who are not in need of these classes, they can just practice the question papers. And wherever they get a doubt, always they can rectify the doubt. And wherever we feel that these students are lagging behind, so we will ask those students to explain a particular concept on the board, and by referring different textbooks which are available, or from the lectures which we have already given them. Okay, so in this manner, a 100% result oriented coaching is what we are aiming for. Clear? So not completing the syllabus and leaving the students, so this we are not going to do. So completing the syllabus, make them to understand, and giving a huge number of practice, and making sure that they are able to practice, they are able to solve any type of question in advanced syllabus in any chapter, and within a prescribed amount of time. So that is within 1 minute if they are able to solve the question or not. So this will be our basic rehearsal for them, basic practice for the students. Clear? So we are basically targeted in 100% selection in IIT JEE Advanced or NEET examinations. This is our target. So even an average student, so if he is trained properly right from the 7th class, then I hope that definitely if he is a NEET student, definitely he should get selection in medical exam. Similarly, if he is a mains or advanced student, at least he should get a selection in NITs only, at least NITs. So this is our target. So with this target, we are planning this program. Okay. So this is the India's first program where 100% of advanced syllabus is not only completed, but children will be made to master these concepts also. So there are many good rank producing schools in India. So wherever you go to the foundation classes, only 20% of advanced syllabus will be completed in even the best schools of India, where ranks produced are very large. Clear? But this is the only first program, I hope, in India where children are taught with 100% of advanced syllabus. So I hope this is the best program in India. So let us see further details about this one. Now the question is, to what kind of students these classes are meant for? Okay. So students who have a strong desire, or parents who want 100% selection for their children, strong desire to get selection in IIT JEE and NEET examinations at any cost. So students who are willing to work very hard to slowly and steadily digest the subject, and students who are very focused and have no attachment for worldly affairs. Clear? So only these type of students will be eligible for joining this program. Clear? So I am not discussing about intelligence levels here. I am not concerned about that one. So if a student is very focused, then even though he is not an above average student, then also I think he can get selection. So everything depends upon his health conditions and the amount of interest which he has, and his willingness to work very, very hard. Now for 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th classes, that is for foundation classes. So we are offering 2 batches. So first batch, which is called as excellence batch, and this batch is only for offline students, because huge amount of practice also will be given here, so only for offline students. And fee structure for this one is 20,000, which should be paid in a single installment. Clear? So class timings for these people are, so evening 6:20 to 8:50 p.m. So each 50 minutes of class will be there. So physics, mathematics or biology and chemistry. So, and every day in the morning 5:30 to 7:45 a.m. So study hours will be conducted for these students. For example, whatever the syllabus they have studied yesterday, so in these study hours, they will try to understand those concepts again. Clear? So by the time they are coming at to the institute at 5:30, they should be ready and they should bath and they should come to the institute. And after 7:45, directly they can go to their respective schools. Okay. Next, every Sunday, 6 to 10 a.m. there will be a study session. Similarly, 2 to 6 p.m. also there will be a study session. Similarly, 6:30 to 8:30 there will be an examination on the weekly syllabus which is completed. Clear? And in addition to that, holidays also we must utilize, because unless we utilize all the time effectively, I don't think we can produce the result. Okay? So in holidays, total yearly less than 10 holidays will be given. One holiday for Ramzan, one holiday for Christmas, like this. So less than 10 holidays will be there throughout the year. And on holidays, 6 to 10 a.m. study session and 2 to 5 p.m. again one study session will be there, and there will not be any examination on holidays. But in holidays also, every Sunday they will be having an examination. Clear? So this excellence batch, under the same fee, students must attend the summer program also. So that is approximately 45 to 50 days of program will be running. So in this 50 days program also, they should practice the syllabus which we have completed in that 1 year very, very effectively. And in this summer program, daily tests will also be completed. And for this one, no fees will be collected for them. And under the same fee structure only, they have to attend this program. So this is about excellence batch. Clear? Then we have one more batch which is called as achievers batch. Achievers batch. Okay. So for this batch, students, for this up to here it is common for all of them. So these class timings 50 minutes, 50 minutes and 50 minutes. So if they are interested, they can attend this one. And every Sunday also schedule will be as usual. But this is not compulsory for these students. If they are interested, they can attend, otherwise they cannot attend. And every Sunday, same schedule will be there. And this they will not be included. That is, they will not be having any classes on holidays. And summer program is also, they are excluded. Clear? So, and for the fee structure for this one is, fee structure will be 15,000 for offline students. Clear? And it will be 12,000 for online students. Okay? Because online students, we cannot make them study. So therefore, fee structure for this one is only 12,000. And for the regular students who are interested to attend the institute in offline manner, for the fee structure will be 15,000 rupees. And holidays and summer program is excluded for these students. Okay. For foundation classes, so these are the books the students must get. So these books are available in offline, as well as you can get these books from e-commerce stores like Amazon also. So in physics, definitely we must have 2 books at least. So New Simplified Physics by S.L. Arora for class 11 and class 12. Total 4 volumes are present. So here, very good collection of problems is present. So previous NEET examination, mains examination, advanced examination questions are also present. So this will serve as a very good collection of questions for them. And more critical questions will be present in concepts of physics. by the wonderful person H.C. Verma. So 2 volumes are present in this one. And in chemistry, you can take this book, Modern's ABC of Chemistry, for class 11 and class 12. 4 volumes are present. So one of the best books for chemistry up to foundation level. Clear? And in addition to these books, so definitely advanced problems will be given in notes. So notes should be very clear. So where total advanced concepts will be discussed very, very clearly. Okay. And in mathematics, Sengage books you can take for advanced mathematics. I think Tiwani is the author of these books, and I think 4 or 5 volumes are present. I am not sure how many volumes are exactly present. So these are the books minimum you can take for foundation classes. Clear? And in physics, there is one more book which is called NEET for Everyone by C.P. Singh. C.P. Singh. C.P. Singh. Clear? So this is also from Sengage Publications, and the name of the book is NEET for Everyone. So 2 volumes are present here. So this is also a wonderful book. So if your budget permits you, you can take this. Most of these problems which are present in these books, already we will discuss them in the classroom, and for reference you can take this book also. Clear? So these are some of the rules which should be very strictly followed. Clear? So students should not get absent themselves even for a single day also. And those who are late to the class even by 1 minute, so they will be sent back to their homes. So in the study hours, practice should be very rigorous, and we will make sure that students will get a good amount of interest while solving these problems. And notebooks should be of very good quality, and maintenance also should be very good. So it means that the writing in the books, or how they are maintaining the books, how they are designing their borders. Clear? So this should be very, very perfect, because these books only, these notes which we have written, so they should revise the same topics again and again and again. So in the time of this 4 or 5 years, same topics they may revise many times. So notes should be very clear, and very good quality notes should be maintained. Clear? So they should exercise regularly. So this is the duty of the parents to observe the children with their doing minimum exercise daily or not. So without having a minimum amount of exercise to your body, I don't think your brain will be in active condition. Okay? And the reason for everything, that is the Creator, you should pray Him regularly, so that He gives the amount of peace to your hearts and brains. Okay? So changing the food habits is very, very important if you are really interested in achieving very good results in final examinations. So at least you are supposed to leave these foods: rice, wheat, eggs, refined oils, products of maida and sugar. Clear? So every of these food habits have their own disadvantages, which completely destroys the learning skill of a student. Clear? So instead of that, you can adopt millets. So 5 types of millets are present. And what is the advantages of these millets and what is the disadvantages of taking these foods? Already I have done some videos in this channel, Excellence in Physics. So you can go to playlist Heavenly Home. In that playlist you can find all the information about these foods. Clear? So what is the use of these foods to the students? Let me just say in a small comparison. So if a student is able to get selection in top 1000, so if his hard work and his teachers and his intelligence are levels such that if a student is able to get selection in top 1000 of ranks, then if he leaves this food and adopt this millet food, then definitely I can say that he will be in top 10 of all India rankings. So that much of effect will be produced if we adopt these millets. So completely 2 years I have completed where I have stopped these foods and adopted these millets, and the various changes which are produced in my body, they are awesome, they are very good. Okay, so this is my strong suggestion. So leave these foods, adopt this one. So at least you adopt this food until the time you complete your examinations. Okay. Now we come to the classes of 11th and 12th and long-term students, that is intermediate students. So these are the plannings for both offline and online. So fee structure will be 12,000 for each subject. So the timings are morning 5 to 7:15 a.m. daily. So 1 hour there will be chemistry and 1 hour and 15 minutes will be physics class. So this will be 5 times a week. 5 times a week, and remaining 2 days, that is on Saturday and Sunday, you will be having mathematics class in the morning session, and this mathematics class is only for first year students. Still we don't have availability for second year students, only for mathematics. And similarly 9 to 10 p.m. also in the evening for 2 or 3 days there will be mathematics also, only for first year students, and the level of the subject will be related to advanced and NEET levels only. Clear? And in the evening students will have study hours, so it depends on what is the college timings that are going to happen from next year onwards. I think there will be some change in college timings. So if college timings, if they change, then definitely we can have study hours in the evening sessions for this 11th and 12th class students also. Now in the same fee structure on Sundays also, students should follow this schedule of practice on Sundays. So 6 to 10 a.m. practice, 2 to 6 p.m. practice, and an examination will be conducted on that week's syllabus every Sunday in between 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. Okay. And on holidays also, there will be practice for 4 hours in the morning and 3 hours in the evening. Clear now? And this program does not include the summer crash course program. So this is the planning for intermediate. So these are the class timings and fee structures. For regular batch, for foundation, classes will start from June 15th onwards. So both online and offline here classes will be running. So for new batches for foundation, it will be from 21st June 2020. For intermediate, that is 11th, 12th and long-term classes or batches of NEET and mains. So again classes will be from 21st June 2020 only. And these are the fee structures. For foundation, already I have said that there are 2 batches. For excellence batch, it is only for offline batch, and fee structure will be 20,000. For achievers batch, which is both for online and offline, the fee structure is 15,000. And for intermediate, 11th, 12th and long-term students, 12,000 for each subject, and mathematics is exclusively only for first year students. Okay. So these are the account details. Google Pay if you want to pay, then this is my phone number 8500070046. And if you want to send it through online, that is through account number, then this is my State Bank of India account number 338454867009, and IFSC code is SBIN 0001902, and the name of the account number will be S. Kiran Basha. Okay.